So now we are going to start up with the dihybrid inheritance, right? As the name suggests, dihybrid means there is involvement of two characters. We are studying the transmission of two characters at one time. Okay, so I'm going to pick the character as a tall plant with a round seed. Okay, and draft plant. These are the pure plant,
Hmm.
right? With wrinkled seeds.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
Hmm.
my the parents. So genetically, how I'm gonna represent that? Tall means this, round means
Hmm.
this. So this is the organism. Okay.
Okay.
Same is with this
Hmm.
small t, smaller, smaller. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now see, if they're going to form the gametes, what are the chances? What will be the case of the gametes? So it can be TR, right?
Hmm.
TR, got it?
Yes.
Yes. Same as with this TR, TR.
P.
So my
Hmm.
first generation involves uh, mating these two organisms. So
Hmm.
it will be
Hmm.
right.
Hmm.
So they are going to form. This is F1 generation. Okay. So we'll write down the genetic makeup. It will be capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Right.
Will
Same
this
thing.
be tall or this will be dwarf?
I'll let you know. But what was the dominant allele? It is going to express itself, na, irrespective of
Yes.
the kind of the other. So if there is
Hmm.
capital LE present, that character
Hmm.
will be seen. So here, all the plants produced will be tall with round seeds.
Okay.
Got it? So
Hmm.
this one is our F1 generation.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Hmm.
Now comes your F2 generation, which means I have to cross self-pollinate these two organisms. Is that clear? Now see
Okay.
the kind of gametes which are being formed. See,
Hmm.
gamete can be this,
Hmm.
it can be this,
Yes.
it can be this, and it can
Hmm.
be this. So there are basically four type of gametes which may form.
Okay.
Okay, so probabilities
Huh.
and it can be one out of these four, right? The
Okay.
next will be the same.
Hmm.
So now let's see how they are going to fuse.
Okay.
Okay. So there will be total of 16 organisms being produced.
Okay. TR, TR.
Right. So this one is dihybrid, na? So it is a little complex. Now see. So this will be capital T, small r,
Hmm.
right? This will be
Yeah. Hmm.
Capital T, capital R, small r,
Hmm.
right? This will be capital T, capital R, small r, right?
Hmm.
Next will be capital T, small r, right? The next, right?
Hmm.
Capital T, small r, capital R.
Hmm.
Capital T, small r,
Okay.
right? Next is capital R, capital R. Oh, sorry, capital T, capital R, capital T, capital R. So here, right? Like this.
Hmm.
Here it will be capital T, capital R, capital R, capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Right?
Hmm.
So this is the probability ki what kind of organisms will be formed. Now see the combinations. I'll just rub this off so that I have space to write down.
Hmm.
Okay, so I'll have tall and wrinkled. I'm not writing the seeds properly, right? Then I
Hmm.
have tall and round,
Okay.
right? Then I'll have tall and wrinkled are there, tall and round are there. Then I can have dwarf and round, and
Hmm.
last will be dwarf and wrinkled, right?
Okay.
These are the four types of phenotypes which can be visible. Now we'll make the tally marks so that our ratio comes up. Now the first, just start telling this thing. This is capital T, small r, small r. What will be the phenotype? Tall and wrinkled,
Yes.
the one. Next is tall and round.
Okay.
Next one is again tall and round. Next one
Hmm.
is tall and wrinkled,
Bring.
right? The next comes tall and round, right?
Hmm.
Next again tall and round. Next
Hmm.
tall and round.
Hmm.
Again tall and round. Next comes dwarf and wrinkled or dwarf and
Okay.
round. What it will be?
Dwarf and round.
Round. Good. Next tall and round, right? Next dwarf and
Round.
round. Next one
Dwarf and round.
dwarf and round. Next
Tall and wrinkled.
tall and wrinkled, right? Next
Tall
tall
and
and
round.
round, right? Next
Dwarf
dwarf
and round.
round. I think this is somewhat wrong. Dwarf, no, it will be dwarf and round. Right. Hmm.
And dwarf and
We
wrinkled.
have, I think this we have done under the wrong.
This one.
Yeah, last
TTRR.
one is though it is single. This one is, I think we have misplaced over here. It should be tall and
Yes.
round here. This one. This
Okay.
was by mistake, right? So
Hmm.
now what the ratio comes up, we'll take this to be the first one because this is a most frequency holder. So I'll have the ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1.
One.
This one is the extreme, both the dominant traits. One
Hmm.
is your both recessive traits, right?
Oh.
And in between the 3 and 3, both are
Hmm.
the combinations. Either it will be dwarf and round or it will be tall and wrinkled. One will be dominant and the other trait will be recessive. Now, during this, did you notice anything that if, like, I had taken two characters, one was of height and the other was the kind of the seed. No character interfered with the expression of the other character. If round
Yes.
was doing,
Okay.
the round was doing on its own way. Same thing
Hmm.
was with the tall or the dwarf character. So that
Hmm.
means in case of dihybrid inheritance, there is no interference from the other character's expression, right? So this is called as law of independent assortment. That means every जो भी कोई character है ना वो अपना expression खुद से करेगा. It doesn't bother दूसरे का क्या express हो रहा है, दूसरा dominant है, recessive है. It doesn't matter to it. It will only
Hmm.
follow the rule which it has to follow. So this is
Okay.
independent assortment. मतलब सब अपने अपने रास्ते चल रहे हैं and everybody is going towards the same way. But yes, have to walk on their own, right? So this was the
Okay.
dihybrid inheritance. I hope this is clear to you.
Hmm.